This fast title intro template will work with Premiere Pro 2018 and above versions. Let me show you how to edit and use this title intro. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to install the template. Select the template and click on Open. Place the template on the timeline. Here you can add the intro title. Change font and increase or decrease font size here. Change title color here. Add your tagline here. Here you can change the tagline color. Tagline text position can be changed from here. Here you can change tagline revealing light position. Here you can change glow colors. Background color can be changed from here. Here you can enable or disable additional glow. That's it. Thanks for watching.